Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Canva tips and tricks which you can use to build awesome thumbnails for your YouTube channel, and you can create a video by using Canva, and you can also edit your photos in Canva. I hope you are quite familiar with Canva. If you're not, that's okay as well. I will show you in a minute. So first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Go to canva.com. Here's the website. Now you can design thumbnails. You can design Facebook posts, Facebook stories, Instagram posts, and everything that you want to design. You can search for it, and you would get pre-built thumbnails as well. Some of the thumbnails are free and some of the thumbnails are paid. Now for creating a design, click on create a design and then choose what you want to create. If you want to create a video, then click on video. If you want to create a presentation, then you can also do that. And you can also create flyer, Instagram post, and your resume as well. As we want a YouTube thumbnail, so I will click on YouTube thumbnail, and then you can select a template. All right, now I basically want to show you some tips which you can use. So I am not going to select any template for now. So okay, the first thing I want to show you is how to create a shadow around your picture. So for that, first I have to select a colorful background because the shadow will be in white color. So I have to select a different color, for example this one. And now, so you have to select your picture and then click on edit image. I saw that many people make it too difficult to make a gradient around your picture, but it's easy now in Canva. First you have to select your picture and then click on edit image, and then scroll down until you find the shadows and then click on glow. Double click on it, and then you have to select the transparency to 100, and you have to increase the size as much as you want. Now you can change the colors to white. So there it is, and you can also decrease the blur. So I think most YouTubers like this, so I just wanted to show you how you can create a gradient around your image. Okay, then you can click on apply, and you can also change the colors if you want. Okay, now you can import your templates or design, and if you like any of these templates, you can just drag and drop them here, and it will be pasted here. And you can also check out the elements. You can search for the elements as well. And you can also group multiple items. Like if you want to group these two items, select these two items and then click on group, and now you can move them together, like as you can see. And you can also ungroup them as well. Now you can adjust the positions of your photos. Like, do you want to show this picture on the top or left, middle, bottom, center, or right? You can change that as well by just clicking on the position. And you can also increase the transparency rate of your pictures. You can see this will work smoothly as well. If you're creating a video, then you can animate the pictures as well. So you can pan them, fade them, or breathe, etc. All right, as we are creating a thumbnail, we don't need to do this. So sometimes you have the multiple layers as well. Just for showing you, I have to create another layer as well. For example, this is the dollar sign here, and now I have to send it to back. Now, if you want to select the dollar sign, you can press Control and then click on it. Now you can select the layer that is under this layer. so you can easily drag and drop them anywhere. So the next step is, if you want to add a shadow in your heading, select your heading and then go to effects and then click on shadows. So it will create a shadow for you. So you can see that, and then you can select the dimensions and change the settings of your shadow as well. You can also change the colors of your shadow. You can see. The next step is, you can move this heading by just clicking the arrow buttons left, right, up or down, etc. And this will move the one pixel at a time. Okay, the next step is how you can upload the images faster. So for example, if you want to upload the images, then just you can just drag and drop the images here from your folders, etc. This will upload very fast. Yeah, as you can see that here. Now let's see how you can duplicate anything in Canva. For example, you want to duplicate these dots, click on this, and then you can press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, and it will be duplicated. Now you can drop them here at the bottom as well. Now, for example, if you want to pick a image from Google, so let's see, you want this image to use in your thumbnail, so you can go to the image and then click on copy image and then go to Canva, and then by just pressing Ctrl V, you can paste the image here. As you can see that the image is here. And the next step is, you zoom in and zoom out. By just clicking here, you can zoom in or zoom out as well, as you can see that. Now let's see how you can crop the images. For example, you want to crop this image, you just have to click on the image and then click on crop, and then you can crop the image according to your requirements. You can see that. Then click on done. So the next step is, I want to show you, is filtering by color. For example, you want to search a dollar and then click on filters. Then you have to choose just a color, and then it will show you this color elements. You can see that. Okay, the next step I want to show you is how to remove the background of your image. For example, you want to remove the background of this image, you can click on edit image and then you can click on background remover. But this is a pro tool, you have to buy the pro version of Canva for using this feature. Okay, all right, the next tip I want to show you is how to use frames. Go to elements and then scroll down until you find the frames. Then you can select any frame you like, then drag and drop it here on your thumbnail, and then you can upload any photo inside this frame. You can see this. Now once your thumbnail is ready, you can click on share and then click on download, and there are some various formats are available. You can select the PNG format or JPEG format or some other formats, whichever you like, and then click on download. Actually, I'm using some Canva Pro features here, that's why it is asking download with Canva Pro. And then you can also copy the link if you want to share it with few people's or your teammates. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks. Take care.